Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by sorting and rinsing 2 cups dried beans and then soak them for 6 to 8 hours. Alternatively, quick soak by boiling 2 minutes then resting 1 hour. While beans soak, chop 1 medium onion, 3 cloves garlic, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks into uniform pieces for even cooking. Measure 6 cups low-sodium broth, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Set aside 2 bay leaves and 1 tablespoon olive oil for sautéing later. Use the Instant Pot sauté mode. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil and sauté chopped onion, garlic, carrots, and celery for about 5 minutes until softened and translucent. Add the soaked beans, 6 cups low-sodium broth, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Deglaze the pot with a splash of broth to release fond. Seal the lid and set manual high pressure for 30 minutes. When cooking ends, allow natural release for 15 minutes. After pressure is fully released, open the lid and remove 2 bay leaves. Ladle out 1 cup of soup and mash or blend it, then return the mash to the pot to thicken the broth naturally. Taste and adjust seasoning by adding more salt, or brighten with 1 tablespoon lemon juice. For extra greens, stir in 1 cup chopped kale and let wilt for 2 minutes. Serve hot with a drizzle of olive oil, chopped fresh parsley, and optional grated Parmesan. This recipe yields about 4 to 6 servings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.